National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a tornado warning for eastern Perkins County in southwest Nebraska until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time at 5:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles southeast of Grant and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Madrid around 6:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. LV around 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.